everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I was looking for a way to upgrade my iWatch and not have that very sporty look on it. So I decided to get this thin replacement band for it that it's gold color. I really love how simple it is to install, and once you have installed it, how easy it is to adjust, put on, and take off. You're going to see that this watch band comes with everything you need to adjust it. I really appreciate the installation manual they provide. It makes it super easy to remove the links you need. You're going to notice how beautiful it looks once everything has been installed. This can elevate any of your outfits. This gold color is super trendy nowadays, so I highly recommend you to check this one out. This watch band will make the perfect gift. This gold watch band is high quality and it will bring so much style to your outfits, and that is my point of view.